What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a chatbot that sells coffee. And this chatbot is interactive. This chatbot is something that people are actually going to want to use. And if you actually want to be able to make money selling coffee through a chatbot, you can build something similar to this, okay? So the way that the chatbot pretty much works is kind of like this. Somebody comes onto the thing and it pretty much greets them and says, welcome to Sold by AI, a variety of great tasting coffees. And sometimes it'll switch up depending on what you want it to say. And I pretty much have it set up to 3 methods, right? The first one is pretty much, it gives you a list of all the different types of coffees, right? And say you're like, okay, this one looks good. This is the one I want to buy, right? It asks you, how many would you like to buy? Say I want 3. It pretty much confirms you want this coffee, you want 3 bags. This is $74 plus shipping, $79. You say yes, everything looks good. And it just takes you to a checkout page. I have Google because, like I said, I don't want y'all to see my Stripe account, but it's one of those things where this can literally be the checkout page where people just enter their debit card information, their address, their email, their phone number, and it's already ready to go, right? Or I have the chatbot that also goes a different route. So say somebody comes on here and they see the coffee, and you don't want to ask them how many they want. Say they just want to buy each specific coffee, specifically through just clicking the first link, right? So say it's this coffee, right? And you can only buy one at a time or whatever, like one per customer per day, because we're trying not to sell out or whatever, right? The scarcity thing. When somebody clicks buy now, it automatically just takes them to the checkout page. It's literally like somebody's just ready to buy. It's like if you wanted to put a checkout link, when somebody clicks it, it literally is going to just take them to the checkout page, okay? And then the last funnel or the last version that you can do is pretty much say somebody sees it and they want to see more, like they want to see a collection. They click it, and what it does is it pretty much gives them other types of coffees that are similar to that. So say if I go like, say you have like Starbucks coffee, Dunkin' Donuts coffee, and then say like your local town coffee, right? And somebody's like, oh, I want the Starbucks coffee, but I want to see like the different, varieties. Like I want the pumpkin spice versus the Colombian versus the Cuban versus the Kenyan, right? When they click see collection, it's literally going to pop up a list of all the different types of Starbucks coffees that they have. Like you can put the different things, and it has the price, and you can put whatever you want. And the thing about this is it's super customizable, meaning whatever you want to show up is what's going to show up. So like each coffee, you see, like I have this picture here. I could put whatever I want here. I could put the call to action. You see how it says buy now? I could put buy now. You see how it says buy now? I could put buy now. And it's one of those things where you see how this one says see collection. It says see collection. You pretty much can change it to however you want. If you want me to teach you how to build, I'll make this a little bigger so you can see my pretty face. If you want me to teach you how to build this chatbot step by step, leave a comment in the comment section saying, let's build. That's what I want you to put. In the comment section, put let's build. And I will teach you how I built this chatbot step by step. Because this chatbot is not really even that complicated, to be honest. And it's one of those things where, like, I simply just created hey, this is what you say. This is the products it gives you. Like I said, you can add 50 coffees that you want, 50 coffees, and it's going to show you each one when you come to the page. Then they choose how many they want. If they want 1, if they want 2, if they want 3, if they want 4. And depending on how many they choose, it takes you to a different thing. So if you want 1 bag, it's kind of like this. If you want 1 bag, it takes you here. If you want 2 bags, it takes you here. If you want 3 bags, it takes you here. And depending on what they click, if they click 3, if you see this line, it's like it goes to 3. If they click 4, it goes to this line, it's like 4. And then I have each one set up to where it's like a different price. So 5 bags is $100 and stuff like that. And at the end of it all, I ask you, does this look right? And it's pretty much like a little confirmation, right? You guys get to see my little kitty today. My little kitty. Anyways, it's one of those things where you see how with this link right here says Google, this link right here says Google, this link right here says Google. You can take them to a checkout page. You can take them to whatever page you want. They can go and just buy the coffee directly from you, directly where they just enter their information. You get their information. You just ship them the coffee because you know where it's going. You know who's going to, and you know their information. They're going to give you the email, the phone number, and their address. Those are the 3 things you need to send them emails, to ship them the package, and do whatever. This is the final. This is kind of the final touch where, say somebody's like this, right? Say you're on this page where it's like, oh, okay, like you picked your coffee, you did whatever. And then I'm asking you, okay, like, does this look right? You bought this coffee, you bought 2 bags, and it's $60. Like, does this look correct? And you're like, no, that does not look correct at all. No, sir, right? You click no, make some changes, and it literally says talk to someone. You literally can be like, oh, call us here, or you can click this little link that says talk to somebody. And when you click it, It can take you to a Calendly. It can take you to a booking website, whatever. I have it for Google because this is just the one that I go to all my links because I don't want to get copyrighted stuff. But at the end of the day, this is a chatbot that you can sell literally coffees off of, meaning you can sell coffee yourself, or you can go to a coffee shop and sell their coffee, or you could take the best coffee around you and put it together in one place where people come and buy the best coffee. You could even do a subscription thing where to access it, people have to pay for the subscription. So say this one, right? I'm gonna add like a, just to kind of give you add a card. I go right here. I'm gonna put, say, like a random one. Let's try this one, right? I'm gonna put the price of the subscription is, I'm gonna say $39.99 a month, right? $39.99 a month, right? And pretty much it's like join the subscription, right? So pretty much somebody could just do a subscription, right? And so when they come here, they click that subscription. This is pretty much what you wanted to do. I wanted to say, buy subscription now, right? This is what it's gonna say when people see it. So it's gonna say right here, like buy subscription now. And then this is all the things that you can have. I'm gonna have action. This is the open URL thing where you can put any link. This is literally where you just put your link to your checkout page. You can have a Gumroad checkout page, you can have a Stripe checkout page, or whatever checkout page, or PayPal. But I just put, google.com just to, kind of make it go somewhere, right? But pretty much just by me doing that, now when somebody comes and runs the chatbot, it simply will give you the option to literally get a subscription. Just me, within 2 seconds, I added a subscription to my package, to my deal. So when somebody comes on here, it's literally as simple as, oh, I like these. Oh, I actually like the fact that you could do $39 a month just for a subscription. Oh, I actually want the subscription. And boom, it takes you to the checkout page. It's as simple as that, okay? And so I can teach you how to build this chatbot step by step, and then you literally can sell it to whoever you want. Literally, I could share this prototype, and then I literally can copy the link, or I could even like publish it if I really wanted to, right? But it's one of those things where at the end of the day, right? At the end of the day, if you don't decide to make money, if you don't want to make money off of it, then it's kind of on you, because there's so many opportunities, there's so many ways that you can make money with this, okay? And so, like I said, somebody can come to the little website and it could be like, okay, I want to start the conversation, and then this is a different chatbot that I have. But at the end of the day, this is how it's going to look and stuff. But like I said, it's one of those things where there's really no excuses, because like I said, you simply can share this to somebody, they get a link, they can test it, and they're just like infinite possibilities. Like you literally cannot go wrong, okay? But kind of like I said, if you want me to teach you how to do this, leave a comment section in the comments saying, like, teach me. Leave a comment saying, I want to learn. It's a comment saying part 2 or whatever, okay? Even the cat and the deer, are literally here, ready to learn. You see, this is my favorite student. This is my favorite student because she actually sits there and learns. You see how she's so in tune, because she actually likes building chatbots with me, okay? So do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, do her a favor, subscribe to the channel, because at the end of the day, like I said, I like sitting here producing content for you. I want to teach you how I built this, because this literally took me less than 30 minutes, and I can teach you how to do it, like I said, step by step. And if that's what you want, then let me know. If you find this video helpful, like I said, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? All I ask is for you to show some love, because if you've liked this video, if you subscribe to the channel, if you leave a comment, it helps the algorithm, so it helps other people learn about it. It helps build the chatbot community, and more people are going to want to build chatbots, more people make money, and eventually you're going to see how powerful it is, okay? So like I said, that's all I have for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.